Happy birthday, Lollipops. Happy birthday, Lollipops. Happy birthday, Lollipops. Happy birthday, Lollipops. Bye. Lollipops. I love you, Lollipops. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! More birthdays to come. Good health and keep serving the Lord with your family. Long life.
Yes, happy birthday, Tito Pab. Sana po marami ka pang matulungan na or masave na mga tao and patuloy lang sa serbisyo kay God. A good health din sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. Then, marami po pong sanang blessings ang matanggap niyo sa buhay. Happy birthday ulit!
Happiest birthday po, Pastor Pabs. Thank you po sa mga preachings and teachings niyo. Continue serving the Lord and God bless you po.
Mapagpalang araw sa inyong BBM, kami po ang Aspero Family ay bumabati sa aming butihing pastor na si Pablito Nicar ng happy and blessed birthday. Maraming salamat po and God bless you.
Hello, Pastor Paz. Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you more and give you more strength to serve Him. Happy birthday, Pastor Paz. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Pastor.
May have many more birthdays to come. God bless po and good health.
Happiest birthday po, Pastor Paps. God bless you.
Jeremiah 23 verse 15. And I will give you pastors according to my heart, which shall feed you in knowledge and understanding. Happy birthday po, Pastor, at salamat po sa lahat.